But most of the kids across the island had to go back to school today, and News 12's Long Island Logan Crawford is at West Babylon Forest Elementary School.
With an apple, right, Logan?
That's right, Drew. That's right, Danielle. I've got an apple. I've got a bunch of apples. And this is what I used to do. This was an annual rate for me when I'd start back at school. I'd hedge my bets and give every teacher in the school an apple. That way I wouldn't get in trouble. You know what? It didn't work. I'd always get sent here to see a woman just like this one, Christine Tonas. She is the school principal here at Forest Avenue Elementary School, and this is day one for the kids. A lot of excitement, anticipation for the administration, teachers, students, right?
Definitely. The children have been off all summer, and the first day of school is always a little nerve-wracking for everyone. We have an exciting year planned, many activities thanks to our PTA. We have the Skylab coming in later on this month, so it's an indoor planetarium. We also have 3rd, 4th, and 5th graders going to the New York Islanders Cool School field trip.
And the circus performers I hear are coming too.
That is always a highlight of the year. And our 5th graders, they perform a circus show for our entire community.
I do that too sometimes. For the entire community here on Long Island. Let's meet Miss Fitzgerald. Fitzgerald's too long a name. I think I'd get it wrong. But this is your first year teaching.
Yes, it is. My first year.
Excited?
I'm very excited.
Nervous?
More excited than nervous.
You know what? When I found out I was getting a first-year teacher, I'd go nuts in class.
Don't tell me that.
I won't tell you that. Let's go out here and meet Space Ace Diane Hertler. She is head to toe in her NASA Space Camp uniform, where she's been training to be an astronaut all summer long. And you're going to teach the kids what about outer space this year?
Oh, we're going to learn all sorts of interesting things about the moon, about space shuttles. We're going to have a great year. It's going to be great.
Sounds great, Diana. Quickly, I'm just going to show you this one thing over here. This has always been my job, Drew and Danielle. To get out of detention, I'd clap those.
Clean those erasers.
That's right.
All right, you get an A+ for today.
Okay, thanks, Drew.